Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make a wavy line in photopea for two-way. Step 1. I apply step 1. Select the pen tool. Right click. Cross fill color stroke color use PX. Hold shift for straight line. Then right click on your mouse, convert to smart object. Again right click, rasterize, filter tab, distort, wave. See this wave line. OK. Click OK. And step 2, select the pen tool, apply the same formula, click anywhere, click and drag it, hold Alt, click and drag it, hold Alt, increase the size. OK, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.